So here I am at Scotts Ridge Recreational Area, and just stopped for a bathroom break, and I thought I'd take this opportunity to do two things. Test this multi grip, or whatever you call it, at its short setting and see how it works. At this distance for the Ace Pro 2. Also, the other reason is to update you guys on the latest with the RS. So the RS is in the shop right now. They're finally replacing the shaft, the rear shaft, at BMW's expense. So I finally got it brought in, and they're gonna change it over probably in the next week or so, and hopefully everything will be all sorted and no charge to me. So that should be good. Yeah, this is a busy spot today, man. Look at all the people here. Why is it so popular today? Let's go down over in the boat ramp area and see what's going on. So still using the short distance on this multi-grip. Top of my head is probably chopped off because I'm zoomed in a bit, but I don't care. Lake looks pretty good. Again, today I've got the polarizing filter on, so clouds should look pretty distinct. Oh, there's a boat coming out. Need a diesel to pull that out. That's nice. Now he's letting all his water out. Hope he's got no zebra mussels here, because they talk about zebra mussels and not bringing zebra mussels from one lake to the next, So as a boat owner, you got to be kind of aware of the fact that you could be bringing these parasitic zebra mussels from lake to lake throughout the Texas lake system, and you're supposed to get rid of them after you bring your boat out. I'm not sure of the specifics of how to get rid of the zebra mussels off of your boat, other than maybe just checking and rinsing them out and draining your boat out, draining water out. But yeah, probably got to drain the water out right here and leave the water that belongs to this lake here, so that the next lake that you go to has got their water in the boat. I don't know. Everybody's lined up to get their boat in the water. So how's the noise reduction? Because right now I've got a little bit of wind, and the wind is blowing on me, which means it's more or less blowing towards the back of the camera. so probably not too bad. But this new Ace Pro 2 with the wind muff in front does a pretty good job of cutting the wind in a windy situation. And I'm speaking pretty quietly because I don't want to be vlogging too loud and attracting attention from these people. So there's the bike and there's the washroom.